I dreamed that you and I were sent to hell. The place we went to was not fiery or cold, was not Dante's hell or Milton's, but was, even so, as true a hell as any. It was a place unalterably public, in which crowds of people were rushing in weary frenzy this way and that, as when classes change in a university or at quitting time in a city street, except that this place was wider far than we could see, and the crowd as large as the place. In that crowd, everyone was alone. Everyone was hurrying. Nobody was sitting down. Nobody was standing around. All were rushing so uniformly in every direction, so uniformly frantic, that to average them would have stood them still. It was a place deeply disturbed. We thought, you and I, that we might get across and come out on the other side if we stayed together. Only if we stayed together. The other side would be a clear day and a place we would know. We joined hands and hurried along, snatching each other through small openings in the throng. But the place was full of dire distractions, dire satisfactions. We were torn apart, and I found you breakfasting upon a huge fried egg. I snatched you away. Ed, come on. And then, still susceptible, I met a lady whose luster no hell could dim. She took all my thought, but then, in the midst of my delight, my fear returned. Oh, damn it all, where's Ed? I fled, searching, and found you again. We went on together. How this ended, I do not know. I woke before it could end. But old friend, I want to tell you how fine it was. What a durable nucleus of joy it gave my fright to force that horrid way with you. How heavenly, let us say, in spite of hell. P.S. Do you want to know why you were distracted by an egg and I by a beautiful lady? That's hell.